Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can export this drawing file in Siemens NX and then get it as a PDF file, as you can see here. So this is a PDF file for the drawing in Siemens NX. I'm going to show you how to do this very easily. So before we start, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Please like the video as well and share it to your friends so they can know how to export a draft file into a PDF format. So first, have the draft file already created here. We are not going to cover how to create this. We are just going to see how to export this after you are done creating the draft file. So in order to export, come to File, and then you come down to Export. We have a lot of options. You can export the file in different file formats. We have a part, and then we have the PDF here. We also have a CGM, an image, and different options as well. So we are going to look at the PDF format. So there will be a pop-up menu here. We have the sheet, which is an A1 sheet for this. We've already covered that in previous videos of drafting. So first select the folder to save it. So come to this browse icon, and in the file name you can change it to, let's say, part draft. And then the folder to save it in, you can just click on this space here, and you can see a drop down to change the folder location. So I'll just save it in the desktop. Okay, so as you can see, the folder is in the desktop and the name of the folder is part draft. We have numerous print properties as well, but you're not going to touch any of this. It's okay. In the settings too, you're not going to touch anything here, and click OK. So come to the desktop, and you can see this is the part draft PDF file. So when you open it, we can see this is the draft file in PDF format. So thank you for watching this video. That is the end of the tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on post notification. There are more tutorials upcoming, and I'll see you in the next one.